morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's trading floor. It is Thursday, June 2nd. Short and sweet today. You got the markets closing at 12:05 for the grains, 12:15 for the livestock. So be watching that. Expect some lighter volume trade without that extra hour here. And seeing a nice bump up here in the markets. The corn market finished on that December contract. Well, stopped today on the December contract right at that 363 that stopped it yesterday, which is a tick short of the 50% retracement from the January highs to the recent lows. So going to be wanting to see that broken on for any other further upside movement here out of the corn. Bean side of things also stopping just short of its objective, which is the gap fill at 903.5. Currently bumping up to 903 as its high. So a lot of interesting points that we're watching here before the weekend. We'll be able to see during the day session whether or not anyone's here to actually trade or if it's just a very light volume day. So we'll be watching all that today. Stay cash trade for the cattle, still range bound in that trade. Top side of the channel comes in at about 98 and the bottom side about 95. So just bouncing around between there at this point. Crude's still fighting around that $40 threshold. Not really wanting to take a direction one way or another at this point. Just seems to be the tone of the trade for everything besides this grain market after that grain stocks and planted acreage report we saw on Tuesday. So a lot of great stuff that could be happening. Got some movement back in this market, so watch that to continue next week with the velocity report for July coming out next Friday. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one and have a happy 4th. Thank you.
Allendale Market Talk Podcast, a fresh take in the podcast world, giving you insight from a trader's perspective, allowing you to have access from your planter, combine, or anything in between. Subscribe to Allendale Market Talk Podcast today.